Keep it rolling, poppin'. Try to keep it rolling, poppin'.
Say hi. I decided to vlog now at this point. So we're just gonna recap. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Poppin Shay, but you knew that already. So anyway, today is very exciting. Quan and I bought a couch recently, and now we're on the way to go get a U-Haul little flatbed truck so that we can pick it up and bring it back to the house. So basically in this video, I'm just gonna give you guys like update on the apartment, a semi-furnished tour, and just show you guys like ideas of where I want to put things and things I want to get. I am going to leave my Amazon link down below if you guys want to get anything. I would greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much. But yeah, just an update. We've been here in the apartment for like 3 weeks now, I think, and it's great. Cece's getting along fine. We love it here. So yeah, you're just gonna ride with us to go get our couch and see it get assembled and all that good stuff. Let's go. Not it perfectly fits. We love that. Let's go. Okay, you guys, so I'm just gonna give you a little bit of a tour. So of course, front door is here. We have our shoe rack for our guest. We have this here for right now, but this is very much so temporary. It's just something to hold the place. You want to give the tour too? Okay. Then this is our couch we got today. Don't mind Cecilia's stuff everywhere. This is our couch. It came with these 2 pillows, and this pillow is from our bedroom. We just put it here for like a placeholder for right now. But yeah, this is the couch. We have to get Quan's granddad over to put the little feet on, because it's supposed to have little black feet on it. Our TV dinner trays are here. We don't have any patio furniture yet, but coming soon. And then over here, we're gonna go to the kitchen. This is Cece's eating area, dining room table. I'm gonna spray paint our table black before we put it in here. So, dining room table, trash can, the kitchen, my favorite place. Hold on, let me stop this microwave. My favorite room so far. So here we have our kitchen sign so that you know where we are. We have to label it. Crock pot, our little bar up there. Okay. Fridge, semi-stocked. You guys can take a peek just real quick. Okay. Freezer. It holds a lot of stuff. It holds enough for me and Quan. Got our broom in here. Here is the white marble whiteboard. There's a little light up here. Sink. Under the sink, storage. You know, everything's self-explanatory. This, so cute. You don't know what this is. It's to hold your cooking utensils like that. Right? So, that's the white marble. White marble in our oven mitts as well. Yes, we have here some storage jars. I just put donuts that Quan bought today because he has a sweet tooth. So I just put that in there for right now. This is our touch of fall. This is our touch of Halloween. Has some M&Ms in it. And yeah, kitchen. This is what is acting as our pantry for right now. So we have our fruit in here. Cece's dog food is at the bottom one. And then rice, potatoes, bread, all that good stuff is in here. Our toaster is up there for storage. Seasonings in here. Nothing much to see. But yeah, love this room. And then we're gonna go. This right here is just like the water heater and stuff. This is our laundry room. Very much so. Washer and dryer. Nothing much to see. Our bedroom, I'm gonna do a separate bedroom reveal when it's completely done, so y'all don't need to see that right now, okay? Then the baño. Here we are, another one of my favorite rooms. It's pretty much done. So, yeah, this is it. Quan picked the shower curtain out, which I was a little bit like, is that gonna match? But I feel like it gives more of a maybe like a man's touch in here, if you will. And it still vibes pretty well. You left the bathroom, right? That's what I said. Yes, so this should be on. Okay, but anyway, we have a little mirror tray right here with our essentials, just ready to grab. This is black mat to match the toilet plunger, or no, the scrubber, and the little bin down there, trash can, excuse me. I love that our tub has like its own shelving in it, built in, so that's great. Even the shampoo and conditioner matches, you already know. Yeah, and then my favorite little built-in unit over here as well, we have an LED sign that says hello as a night light for me because I use the bathroom like 30 times at night, okay? And then our little wash, brush, flush sign, toilet paper, and our rags, and when we get some more towels, they'll be in here as well. And then, of course, our little janky hamper for right now, but we are going to get a new one that's going to be black. So, yeah. This is pretty much it for right now. Our semi-furnished, really? Semi-furnished apartment tour. Very excited. We love this. This is our theme. And this one right here as well. Thankful, grateful, blessed, very much so. That's our mantra, if you will. So yeah. I will update you guys as soon as we get some more stuff going in here. This is gonna all transform. We plan on being here for about a year, maybe a little bit more. But yeah, I'm very excited. You excited, Cece? Okay, you guys, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.
Keep it on and poppin'. Try to keep it on and